Welcome to our online buyer portal. Ordering online is now easier and more convenient than ever. From the homepage, you can view your order history, orders from your reps, and reminder wish list items. To start shopping, click the Shop button. Vendors available are shown in alphabetical order here. Click the line that you wish to view. On the left-hand side, you will see the supplier information. This includes minimum opening order and reorder amounts, description, terms, shipping, where the items are shipping from, and our contact information. Under the catalogs, hover over the catalog image. You can either view products by a hotspotted catalog or the product gallery. For hotspots, hover over the product you wish to order. You will see the name, item minimum and multiple, and price. Click once and use the plus or minus button to choose your quantity. Totals will be shown below. To order by the product gallery, scroll through the images and select the quantity that you'd wish to order. Once your selection is complete, click the Cart button. You can view your selection here and remove or update quantities before proceeding to checkout. From here, you can enter in a ship date, a cancel date, your payment information. You can also utilize our online payment processing page, and you can enter in your own PO number. If you don't, the portal will automatically generate a PO for you. Once done, click Submit Order. It's that simple. Thanks for viewing. Bye for now.